Hi friends, in this video I want to show you how to edit the documentation of the EpigraphHub library. So the documentation is made of Markdown files such as this one and an index file such as this one. In the index file, you just list the chapters that you want in the documentation. So let's give an example. Say we want to create a data chapter, and I just put here the name of the file that I want to have my documentation in, which is data, which is I already created this file. I created this file called datamd with just a title, data manipulation tools. Let's put this in uppercase. And so now that we have a new chapter on our documentation, well, it would be nice to see that before that, we had only 2 chapters in the documentation. So let's go back there. We have this. We want to update our documentation with this new chapter that we just added. So we type make HTML on the root of the repository. It will run the documentation framework. It's called Sphinx, and it gave us no error messages, so it works. So we can now go to the browser, refresh the page, and voila, we got our new chapter called Data Manipulation Tools with our title. Now we can go back to our IDE. This is to show you how easy it is to create a new chapter, and I could go on adding more text here, which I'm not going to bother doing right now. I've done this on my local clone. I want to commit this. So now being on an IDE, I would just commit the changes I did to the new chapter, the data.md and the index.rst. And I give it a commit message, say added data chapter, and I commit. I upload it to GitHub. I do a git push, exactly what I did with that click there. And then we can take a look at our GitHub, and we'll see here that it has been updated. If we refresh this page, there we go, our data.md. So that's basically that. And on the next video, I'll show you how this documentation can be made to compile automatically using a GitHub action. So I'll see you there.